No, okay. On Monday, I will search for a new Energizer dance. Okay. And that is my favorite one. I will show you. Is it visible, everyone?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
we have not do monkey dance today.
Yes, because first class was Hindi, no? That's why. Today, Tuesday and Thursday, you have Hindi class. So that days we are not doing dance and prayer. Rest all 3 days we are doing. Okay.
My favorite prayer is which are overcome.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So children, today you don't have to be with your notebook and anything because we are going to start a new chapter of grammar, that is naming words. So I am going to explain you. Okay. So today already you have know what are letters and letters are how they are forming the words. Okay. We have done 2 to 3 activities of that. Okay. So your second chapter is naming words. Okay. Let's start. So naming word is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. What are the things that are having name? Okay. If a person, if I am is there. So my name is Sonal. So I am a person and my name is Sonal. I have a name. Okay. Then a place. Which place? Okay, where do you stay? In Surat, in Jangirpura, in Adajan. That's a name of place. Okay. Now the name of animal. Dog, cat, cow. Okay. So that is the name of animal and the name of thing. Okay. Suppose laptop, mobile, pencil, anything that is a thing. It's a name of a thing. Okay. So name of a person relates to your. Are you getting me? Okay. Show me your thumbs up if you are understanding it. Okay. So name of a person relates to your mother, father, friend, teacher, or any human beings. Okay. In this world there are many human beings like us, like you, like me. They all are person. Okay, they all are person and they all are having name. Okay, you are a human being and your name is Hia. You are a human being, your name is Veronica. You are a human being, your name is Buranuddin. Okay, so you are a person and we all are a person having a name. Okay, now name of an animal. Animal refers to any animal like dog, cat, horse, rabbit, etc. Wild animals are also having their name. Pet animals are also having their name. Even birds and farm animals, all the animals are having name. Okay, and that names are also forming by a letters. Okay, then name of the place. Name of the place. It can be your home, it can be your school, it can be a hospital, it can be a park, bank, a mall, then a hill station when you go for outing. Okay, so the name of the place can be like this. Okay, like let me say it is Surat, it is Mumbai, then Canada,
Excuse
then
me, ma'am.
London. Yes,
Uh, Fire station, police station, and
that is also place. They are also place.
airport.
Airport, yes, very good. Your school is having the name. What is your school name?
TVI.
Adaptable International School.
TVIS. And what is the full form?
Tapti Valley International
Tapti Valley International
Very good. Tapti Valley.
School.
Okay, very nice. Okay, there is a good news that maybe from August and after August, the school will be starting. Maybe. I'm not sure. I have read the newspaper today, but not sure. Let's hope for the best that school will open.
मैम ऑफलाइन स्कूल में अभी अगस्त में
मैम मैंने आज सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ा है कि 15
Okay.
अगस्त से स्कूल स्टार्ट करेंगे.
ओके
आई एम नॉट श्योर, स्कूल की तरफ से कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है अभी तक.
ओके
I just read the newspaper, so I was happy that at least it's starting.
ओके यस
Okay. Okay, so let's hope for the best and we'll meet at school, right? Yeah. Okay. Then name of a thing. Thing refers to anything which you use, you play, like pencil, chair, robot, a toy. Okay? Anything around you. Like I am having a table around me, I am having a water bottle, then a tissue paper, then a perfume. These are the things I have. Okay, what you are having? What you are having as a thing around you? Yeah, Mishti is showing teddy bear. Very good.
Ma'am,
Teddy bear is a thing.
around there is compass box,
Yes.
bed, book,
Hmm.
mouse,
Hmm.
keyboard, computer and computer table.
Very good. These all are things. Okay. Yes, and all are going to, all the things are having name, right? Okay, now let's do a brainstorm activity. Okay. Okay, let's begin to short. Okay, this is, we are going to short. Okay, so you all can type in the chat box. Okay, I will tell you the thing. I will tell you the word. Please ask Nihal to concentrate. Nihal, what happened? You are not paying attention, baby.
My mouse is broken.
Your mouse?
Yes. When my chip I take out, then it types something in chat box.
Okay. Okay, so Nihal, your mouse can be repaired afterwards. Okay. So you now concentrate. Don't play with the mouse. Okay. माउस खराब हो गया तो फिर आप लैपटॉप पे क्लास कैसे अटेंड करोगे? Okay, so don't play with that. Nothing is to play. If you have a computer, if you have a laptop that has mouse, it will be spoiled. Okay, so don't play with that. These things are very expensive and not made for play. Okay, good boy. Yeah, now smile. Okay, so children, I am going to say a name and you have to type in the chat box. The name is referred to a person, name is referred to a thing, or name is referred to a animal. Okay, you have to do the criteria. You have to write the whether it is thing, whether it is place, whether it is animal, whether it is person. Got it? Okay, so first word is okay. So first word is mother.
किसका रीडिंग क्लास है?
Come on, write in the chat box. Mother is referred to a person, place, animal, or thing. Very good, Kiara. Come on, fast, fast, fast. The spelling of a person is Person. Very good, Mishti. Very good, very good. Very good. Okay, Vivan, type in the chat box. Come on. Everyone has to type. Come on, Rachit. Rachit has typed. Okay, I have opened my chat box. I can see who is typing and who is not.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pranch.
I know classroom spelling.
Classroom.
Yes.
That's good. If you know the spelling, that's good. Okay. Your second word is parrot. Is it animal? Is it place? Is it a person or a thing? Jaitik, how come parrot is a person? Very good, Kia. It is animal. The spelling of animal is A-N-I-M-A-L. You can simply write A. A is for animal. Not a 3 times A, huh? Only one time.
मैम
Yes.
वो मैं लिख रही हूँ तो वो चैट बॉक्स में नहीं दिख रहा है.
My chat box is open.
मतलब मैं जो मेरा चैट बॉक्स तो ओपन है लेकिन मैं जो लिख रही हूँ वो
Okay. Kia, you have raised your hand. You want to say something? Kia Kaira, you have raised your hand. You want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we are not writing name of animals. We are writing naming words. Okay, so your next word is pencil. Pencil is a person, is an animal, is it a place or a thing? Very good, Kiara. It's a thing. Very good, Khadija. Mishti, very good, Rachit. Okay, Shivam said no because it's not an animal. Pencil is a thing. Come on, type fast, everyone. Yes, you can simply write T if you don't know the spelling of thing. Even I'm telling you, it's THING. Yeah, done. Okay, so next is dog. Dog is an animal or a place or a thing or a person. Yeah, very good, everyone. Very nice. Very good. Shivam, dog, you have written dog, but dog is an animal, place or thing or a person that you have to write. Very good, everyone. Very nice. All are typing. RV, dog is a thing. Yeah, it is not moving. He is not eating. He is not breathing. Yeah, dog is an animal. It's a name of an animal. A dog. Okay, so your next is a friend. My friend, your friend. Which one is this? Thing, animal, person, place. No, Kaira. Very good here. It's a person. Because friend is also a human being. Okay, so each and every human being is person. Yes, very good, Burhanuddin, Kaira. Very nice, Rachit, Mishti. Ah, what is 12635? Typing mistake?
Ma'am, bye, miss.
It's okay. Type fast, everyone. A friend will come in person, place, animal, or thing. Yeah, very good. Very good, everyone. See, I have a smart children. I just explain it for 2 minutes and you all are smart. See, you all know which thing come in which type, right? All are smart children. Okay, so done, everyone? Yeah. So your next thing is park. A park. Park is a person, animal, thing, or place. Very good, very good. Jaitik, very good. Shivam, very good. Arvi, very good. Very good, Khadija. Very good. Very good, Nihal. Very good, Veronica. Very good, everyone. Done? Okay. So, park is a place. Now, the next thing is table. Table is a place, person, animal, or thing. Wow. See, the typing speed has increased. Beautiful. Branch T T T T T T T. It's a horn. Horn is also a thing, right? Yeah, T T. Keep blowing your horn in the chat box. That all of you are move away, move away. I want to type. I want to type. Enough, enough.
TH thing.
Yeah, TH th. It's th. ING. Ing. Thing. Okay. It's TH.
I know the
ING.
I have right in chat box.
Yes. Just a second. Disha, I don't understand this language. Chinese language. Okay, so your next word is
Ma'am,
assistant.
excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am. I am
Yes.
learning Chinese language.
You're
My-
learning.
Yes.
So can you read what Khadija has written?
For no, not that. Something else I'm reading. And by a Duolingo app I can learn.
Okay, sure, sure. Okay, So your next word is a sister. Sister is a person, place, animal, or thing. Very good, Kaira. Very good, Rachit. Mishti, Kiara, very good. Very good, Buranuddin. Very good, Kiara. Very good, Arvi, Kia. Nice, nice. Hey, Patel is there. Let me check. You all have to attend all classes, huh? If you are not attending the last class, na, ma'am has told me that put absent for those children. For the whole day, I can place, I can put absent if you are not attending all the classes. Okay, so Dev Patel is not there. In first class, I was having 19 children, and in second class, I am having 17 children. See?
And it is third class.
Yeah. So in general awareness class, I was having 19. I don't know how many were there in Hindi class. Maybe it is 20 around, right? So out of 73 is only me. One is Sonal Parekh, one is my presentation. Okay, so it is only 15 children. Okay, so your next word is a goat. Goat. Goat is a thing. And goat is a person. Yes, Arvi, very good. A goat is an animal. I was surprised that it's a thing, yeah, and it's a person. Okay, very good. Type fast, everyone. Come on, increase your speed in both writing and typing. We are learning two things, right? Writing and typing. So you all will be the smarter and smarter kids ever, who knows typing also and writing also. Yes, Pransh, how many A is there? I was like, all are typing very fast, but you are typing all the A's. Veronica, what is R for there? Done, everyone? Everyone has written animal for goat. Okay, your next word is phone. A mobile phone. I have not opened chat box for unnecessary things. I can close it. I have the rights. So please write what I am expecting. Okay? Yeah, a phone is a thing, place, animal, or a person. Very good, everyone. Very nice. Very good, Vivan. Very good, Veronica. Only 2 to 5 children are typing. Rest of what, Jaitik, what you are doing? You are not typing in the chat box. Have you understood the topic, Jaitik?
Yes.
Then why you are not typing, baby?
I typing.
You are typing? Okay, I'll see you. Okay, from Monday, you also have to tell me that who is your friend is absent that day. Okay, who is one of your friend is absent on the particular day. First, you have to wish good morning. Then you have to tell me the weather. Okay,
Ma'am, now
how is the weather?
cloudy.
Yes. And then you have to tell me about your friend who is absent today. Okay?
My friend is
Not
Excuse
right
me,
now.
ma'am.
We have already on third period. Okay, so
Excuse
not
me,
right now.
and my
Yes,
friends.
in my place there is little rainy.
little raining. At my place, it's not raining, but it's cloudy. Okay, so
Oh,
your next word is a market. Market is a place, thing, animal, or a person. What is that? Very good, everyone. Wow, Burhanuddin has written blend, place. Very good. You know, it's a small thing made you creative. Make you creative. Shivam, it's please. You have written please. Blend. It is also blend, right? Okay, let me announce the reading children today. Meanwhile, okay, so today Nihal, Pransh, Rachit, and Sarthak is absent today, so Sarthak will not be there. So Nihal, Pransh, Rachit, they have to attend reading class. Okay. Okay, have you written everyone? Kia, not unnecessary things, please.
And you also
Yes.
attend the reading class.
You are having every Thursday. So you have not attended yesterday. You have to attend today. Okay, your next word is brother. Brother is a person, place, animal, or thing. Very good. See, the smart children. Everyone got the topic. Nice. Very good. Nice. Very good.
Ma'am, I am the smart cookie.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I am a smart cookie.
Yes. Okay. Done? So, brother is a person. Okay? Now it is your favorite and my favorite too. It is chocolates. Chocolates is a thing, person, place, or animal.
My favorite is
I didn't ask you yours.
my favorite is not chocolate. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
My favorite is
I will ask you your favorite, okay? First, you write in the chat box. Arvi, chocolate is a person. It refers to a person. Chocolate is a thing. Chocolate is the name of a thing. Okay? Yeah. Then next word is a mall. Shopping mall. Shopping mall is a place, person, thing, or animal. See, I will only give you 1 minute to type in the chat box. If you have not typed, I will change the word. Very good, Vivan. Very good, Arvi. A mall is a place. Very good. Very good. Jaitik. Jaitik, spelling mistake?
Yes.
It's okay. Okay. Your next word is dad. Kia. Then I will got to know that it is not a typing mistake. Huh? Dad is a person, place, animal or thing. Dad.
Ma'am, dad या dad.
Dad. Papa. Father.
Ma'am, person.
Who's this?
Dad is person.
Yeah, dad is person. Yes, dad is person. Okay. So tomorrow we will be doing an activity. Okay.
मैम
Yes.
वो मेरा चैट बॉक्स में नहीं चल रहा, मैम वो लिखती हूँ तो वो दिख नहीं रहा है.
Right now you were writing. I was watching you.
हाँ वो अभी हुआ था, फिर से शुरू हो गया, अब फिर से ऐसा ही हो गया.
Okay. So if you right now in 2 minutes you all will be having your break. Okay. So that time what you do, you just restart your mobile phone. Okay.
मैं
बंद
मोबाइल,
करके उसको वापस चालू करना.
मेरे पास मोबाइल है ही नहीं, वो मम्मी के मोबाइल में अब क्लास है, दादी के मोबाइल में नहीं है.
Okay. So okay. If you leave the class and you join back na, it may be solved. Okay, अगर आप क्लास ज्वाइन कर लीव करके वापस ज्वाइन करोगे ना तो it may be sorted. Okay. Okay, so children, I am going to tell you some important thing. Okay, so listen carefully. Tomorrow we are going to play a game. Okay, of naming words. What we did today. Okay, so what you will require, I will send you. Veronica, mute yourself, baby. Okay, so I will send you a sample that what you have to do. Okay, right now I'm just telling you what to do. Now what you have to do, you have to make 4 lines on A4 size paper. Okay, any color will be okay. White color will be okay. If you don't have paper, notebook will be okay. And if you want to use color paper, that will also be okay. Okay, and then name each line with a person, place, animal and thing. Okay, you have to draw 4 lines. Okay, then you will be putting the heading person, place, animal and thing. This thing should be ready. Okay, I will be sending the information in the classroom. Okay, and then we will play a game. You want to know what is the game? Okay, so one child will be saying ABCD. Okay, in the mind, not loudly.